Hi children, today I am going to start chapter 8 comparing quantities. Then we know what is ratio. Ratio means comparing two quantities. In our daily life we are comparing quantities that may be height, weight, salary, mark, etc. Then the ratio of two quantity of the same kind and in the same unit is the fraction that one quantity is of the other. Here look, A is to B. A is to B, we can write A by B, or A is to B. Then while we comparing two quantities, for example, height of two person 150 centimeter and 75 centimeter. This we can write in a ratio. How to write? Look, 150 is to 75, or we can write its simplest form, means 150 by 75. How to find its simplest form? Means this two number divided by highest common factor. Which is the highest common factor, you know? Then 75. Then here we get it 2 by 1. Then is equal to 2 is to 1. Then ratio generally expressed in which form? Simplest form. Here look, what is the ratio of 2 is to 1. Then find out the ratio of 5 kilometer and 150 meter. Look, here two numbers are given. Look, first when we write its ratio, first we look its unit. Here look, what is the unit? Here one is kilometer and other meter. So first this unit, different unit convert into same unit. Then how to convert this kilometer and meter? We can convert kilometer into meter or meter into kilometer. Then here look, this kilometer. Here we can convert kilometer into meter. Then we know 1 kilometer is equal to how many meter? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000. So 5 kilometer is equal to, we can write 5000 meter and 150 meter. Then now first we convert into same unit, different unit convert into same unit. Look here, kilometer convert into meter. This already which is meter. Then next find out it the ratio. 5000 is to 150. Then we can write 5000 by 150. How to convert this ratio? How to write its ratio? Means this number divided by highest common factor. Which is the highest common factor? Look, then we get 100 by 3. This 100 and 3 again divided by any other number except 1? No. So its simplest form is 100 is to 3. Then we can write 100 is to 3. Is it clear? How to write ratio? Find out ratio. The next equivalent ratio. How to write equivalent ratio? Means when we compare two different ratio. First this ratio convert into like fraction. These fractions are equivalent. We can say these ratios are equivalent ratio. For example, look, 2:8 and 4:16. Look, 2:8. 2:8 we can write it 2/8 and 4/60. This look, its denominator different. So first we write its like fraction. So multiply by which number, or we find out its LCM. Here we can multiply by 2. Look, this also 2. Then we get 4/16 and 4/16. Look, these fractions are equivalent. These fractions 4/16 and 4/16. Then so these fractions are equal. So these ratios are which equivalent ratios. Equivalent 2:8 and 4:16 are which type of ratio? Equivalent ratio. Do you understand what is equivalent ratio? If two different ratios, first we convert into like fraction. These like fractions are equal. Then we can say these ratios are equivalent. Is it clear? Then we can compare the two ratios. Look, how to compare two ratios? 2/3 and 4/9 means 3:4. Look, 3/4, 2:3 and 4:9. This 2:3 we can write 2/3 and 4:9 we can write 4/9. Then first we convert in like fractions. So look, this multiply by 3 and here denominator multiply by 3, numerator also multiply by 3. So look, 6/9 and 4/9 means look here, denominator already which number? 9. So this 3 convert into 9. So here we get like fractions. Look, denominators are same. Then compare the numerator. Look, which is largest number here? 6/9 is largest number. So which ratio is greatest ratio here? This 2:3 is the greatest ratio. Is it clear? Then here we write equivalent ratio means here 2:8 and first we find out 4:16. Here we find out 2:8 and 4:16 are which type of ratio? Equivalent ratio. These two ratios are equivalent. This quantities means 2, 8, 4 and we can say this quantity 2, 8, 4, 16 are in proportion. Are in proportion. Then what is proportion? An equality of two ratio is known as proportion. Here this ratios are equivalent means equivalent ratio. So this quantity are known as means we can say this quantities. How many quantities? 4 quantities 2, 8, 4 and 16 are in proportion. Then we can write A by B is to C by D. Or look, A is to B. proportion. What is proportion sign? Do you know? This sign is known as a proportion sign. A is to B means A by B equal to C by D. Or we can write A is to B equal to C is to D. Here we can write A is to B. This sign is known as which proportion. Represent this symbol represent proportional. Then A is to B, then C is to D. How to read this? A is to B as C is to D. Look, A is to B as C is to D. It's clear? Here A quantities, how many quantities? 4 quantities. A, B, C and D. This A and D is, this term is known as extreme terms, and this is this B and C known as middle terms. Here this 4 quantities are in proportion. Then A into D is equal to B into C. Means product of extreme term is equal to product of middle term. Is it clear? What is ratio? Then equivalent ratio, proportional. Then we know ratio write in which form? Simplest form. Then is it clear? The next exercise 8.1.